Hi girls. Hi girls. Hi girls.
I want you to love me like I'm a hot light.
Hi girls, Lin P here, and today we are going to be doing a wig review. I got these wigs off of Amazon from a company called Joedir. I looked into this company, I did my research, I looked at all the reviews, and they were really good, so I was like, let me just go ahead and try it. And both of these wigs are under $50, so it's a steal, girl. It's a steal. Okay, so I'm in a box like this that has Joedir on it, black and white, and then it gives you like a small description of the wig. I got both of my wigs in the color 1B. This wig is a 26-inch wig, and it's big and curly. So let me show you what comes in the box. So you get a wig cap, a headband to, I'm assuming, lay your edges down with the wig, and then of course the actual wig. It comes with a nude wig cap and it matches my skin perfectly. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like on in a minute, but it comes with a hair net around it, the little tag. That's what the wig looks like. The curls probably aren't as tight because I already wore the wig. So I did kind of comb it out and stuff, but yeah. So this is the scalp of the wig up close, and then it comes with, I think this is Swiss lace. Alright girls, so I'm back. My lace is already cut on the wig, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you all what it looks like on. So as I said, I think it matches my scalp perfectly, so I don't have to add concealer and all of that. Wow, I have a big forehead. Okay, it comes with adjustable straps as well, and I already adjusted that off camera too. Alright girls, so as you all can see, I'm just putting on my wig. It's fresh out the packaging, fresh out the box. Now it does look a little rough, but that's okay, honey, because I'm going to work my magic in a minute. So you get your little fine tooth comb and you fix the part. Just make it look more straight and neat, like that. Okay. When you're detangling or just combing it out in general, please use a wide tooth comb because you don't want to make the wig more tangled because you're using a fine tooth comb. So rule of thumb. Oh my gosh, I do not like it in the middle. It does shed a little bit. I'm not gonna lie. I don't wait. Just a little bit. Oh nope, never mind. Well, you know what? It might be shedding more too because I cut the lace and I cut some of the hair. So that might be my fault. But it does shed. I mean, it's a synthetic wig, so of course it's going to do that. And let me get up so I could show you all. That's how long it is. That's what it looks like. It's really pretty. It's a really pretty wig. I'm gonna go ahead and shift it to the side. I'm a side part girl. Okay, so just like that. Nothing fancy, nothing crazy. Oh, that looks so much better already. So I'm going to style it and then I'm gonna come back on camera. So bye. Alright girls, so in this scene here, you see me going in with my 24-hour edge tamer by Eben, and I'm also using my brother's brush that I stole a long time ago to lay down my edges with my wig. that is wig number 1. Oh my gosh, it's so cute on the side, girl. I do need to flatten the roots a little bit because it does have a little bit of oomph that I'm not really feeling. But yeah, and it's $50. Like you can't go wrong with that. Look at that, like it looks so good. Yeah, it's really cute. I like this a lot. Alright, so I will show you guys wig number 2 in a minute. It comes in the same packaging. It says Joedir, small description here. Comes with the headband for your edges. Comes with lashes. A wig cap. The actual wig. Now this wig is a wavy wig. It's not curly, it's wavy. And it's in the color 1B. This is 30 inches long. They package all their wigs the same. Fishnet on the wig. It comes stuffed. I bought this wig already. This is my second wig of the same style. And that's because I messed up the first one. So I had to repurchase this wig. I want to say both of them come with baby hairs, but you could really see this one like right there. So this is what the wig looks like. It's wavy, it's long, it's 30 inches. Same scalp situation going on, really realistic. Alright girls, so I just got finished cutting my lace. As I was cutting my lace, I noticed that the color is different from the first wig. This is lighter and the other one is a bit darker, so I'm a little nervous. Hopefully it still lays the same and blends well. Alright girls, so as you all can see, I'm just putting on my wig. It's fresh out of its packaging. I'm removing the tag. Now with this one, as you all can see, the scalp doesn't look as realistic as the first one. I just wanted to point that out. I am going to fix that of course, but it looks a little crazy. So this is the wig. Let me show you guys how long it is. It's pretty long. This is what it looks like on me. It's so soft. Oh my gosh, it is really soft. It does shed, and I don't think it's my fault because the first wig was like that too. I look like, you know, I'm ready for a vacation. So I'm gonna show you guys how I lay my edges for this one. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna straighten that out because that looks kind of crazy. Alright girls, so I'm going in with my Blue Magic coconut grease. If you know, you know. I'm putting that down as a base to prevent my edges from drying out and flaking up. And then I'm going to go in with my 24-hour edge tamer again by Eben. And we're just going to lay our edges down, honey. I also did that for the first wig as well. I just didn't record it. I don't like how that looks, so hold on. So this is the wig. I went ahead and added some concealer because it was looking really bad. So like I said, I really like this one. It's cute. It's very beachy. It does shed. But believe it or not, it doesn't shed as much as the curly one, which is weird. The hair is so soft. And it's kind of manageable compared to most synthetic wigs. Like you can't just walk around and wave it and stuff because it could get nappy, but I feel like I can do that with this one. My overall review for this company was, it was really good. The shipping was fast, but that's because I have Prime. It has a nice shine to it. It's not overly shiny like a lot of other synthetic wigs. Like it's just right. If you girls want to see more videos like this, like, comment, and subscribe. And suggest some wig companies too, because I would love affordable ones. I would love to test them out, give you guys a review. I don't want to take it off. I'm having a good time. But I have to take it off. I'm cute or whatever. Alright. I'm trying to get food out. We're trying to fly me out. Period. Okay. Alright girls, that's it. I'm done. Thanks for watching. Bye. Mwah.